Imagine a security tester who never sleeps. It thinks like a hacker, runs real exploits, and never cries wolf. That is STRIX. STRIX is an AI-powered penetration testing framework. Autonomous agents that hunt vulnerabilities for you, all on autopilot. Traditional scanners just look at your code and guess. STRIX actually runs your app, tries real exploits, and proves every finding with a working proof of concept. The result, 0 false positives. Installing STRIX takes one command. Open a terminal and run curl /strix.ai/install pipe bash. Then configure your LLM key and you are ready. Point it at your target with STRIX-target. STRIX spins up a team of agents. One scouts the attack surface, another looks for weak points. Here is the magic. Every finding is validated by a real exploit. If STRIX reports a bug, it is actually exploitable. No noise, no guessing, just confirmed vulnerabilities. STRIX drops straight into your CI and CD, scan on every pull request, and block insecure code before it ever reaches production. The pipeline is simple. Recon, exploit, validate, and patch. STRIX even generates the fix for you, so your team can ship secure code faster. Now, a serious note. STRIX is for authorized testing only. Scanning a system you do not own is illegal. Always get written permission first. Hack responsibly. Like and subscribe for more security tools. Stay sharp, stay ethical.